All right, so this is 2017 Bowman's Best Baseball. 4 autos a box. We're doing 2 teams per spot. Everybody who's in on the break is over here on the left. Going from Jeff S down to Jeff S. Copy everybody and take you on into random.org. Yeah, as always, we go 9 times in the random. Paste everybody in there 2 times, and good luck. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Casey H on top. Will N on the bottom. Bring us back over here to the baseball spreadsheet. And paste everybody in. So those are your teams for the Bowman's Best. Like I said, 4 autos a box on this stuff. So good luck, everybody, and thanks again for getting in on the break. Here we go, Bowman's Best. 2 mini boxes and 2 autographs per mini box. 4 total in the hit, in the break. All right, mini box 1. Good luck, guys. First up, Chris Bryant, Daniel Murphy, Paul Goldschmidt, a little Kevin Matane cracked ice for the Braves, and Daniel Murphy refractor. Robinson Cano, Stanton, Adam Hazley, pitcher, rookie for the Phillies, and our first auto going out to the Boston Red Sox, and that is Jeff S. Wow, bang! There's my boy, Jason Groom. That's my boy. He's from my hometown. Jason Groom, Red Sox pitcher. Refractor auto. Very nice. Very nice. He was the 12th pick in the draft. And a Paul Goldschmidt refractor. That's my boy, Blue. Nope, not numbered, unfortunately. Yeah, the Groom's not numbered. That's a nice hit, though. He's going to be good, man. He was like the best pitcher in New Jersey for the last 4 years. All right, Devers, Jansen, a Brent Honeywell insert, rookie for the Rays. Dominic Smith and Robinson Cano. What's up, Top Notch? Thanks for stopping by our page. All right, Kershaw, Will Myers, Cespedes, and duel of for the Braves and Indians, Kyle Wright, Corey Kluber. I mean, we've been giving these to the rookie teams, but it's up to you guys. I'm not sure who has what team. I'll check it out afterwards, and we can random that off. Unless both of you guys are cool with just giving it to the rookie. That's what we've been doing, is giving it to the rookie guy. Whoever has the rookie team gets it. But there's another Jay Groom. McKenzie. Syndergaard. And our second auto for the Padres. Very nice. San Diego. Mackenzie Gore, rookie pitcher. And that is Frankie G. Frankie G going out to you. Mackenzie Gore, rookie auto for the Padres. That is not serial numbered. So Frankie G gets that hit. And Adam Hazley. 1 pack left in mini box 1. All right, Evan White, Jake Lamb, Tristan McKenzie, insert rookie for the Indians. And we got ourselves a nice number to 250 rookie of Moniak. Mickey, going out to Mickey, 106 of 250 for the Phillies. And Rafael Devers, refractor. All right, box 2. Mini box 2. All right, good luck, everyone. Pull a monster. Another Mickey Moniak. This thing is heavy with the Phillies. Nolan Arenado, Brent Honeywell, and Derek Jeter. Insert for the Yanks. And no number on that. And Nick Senzel for the Reds. Brandon McKay, another high draft pick. I think he was like 5th pick in the draft. Come on. There we go. Brandon McKay for Tampa Bay. And trade win. Franklin Barreto, rookie for Oakland. A Ryan Healy, a rookie for Oakland. And for the Dodgers, going out to LA Dodgers and Frankie G. Mitchell White, rookie auto for the Dodgers. That one is not numbered. And Josh Donaldson, refractor. And bang. Continue that Dodgers heat for you, Frankie. It's a Cody Bellinger rookie. A Chapman. Scott Kingery, or Kingery, whatever. This guy again, Lazarito Armentorosis. That is a refractor. Correct ice. And Cabrera, refractor. Roses. Alright, so still more, at least one more auto in here. David Dahl, rookie for the Rockies. Ian Happ, rookie for the Cubbies. Paul Goldschmidt insert. A mirror image of McKay and Anthony Rizzo. That's Tampa and Chicago. So Jeff S. and trade wins. So like I said, guys, if you want, we've been giving them to the rookies, but if you guys want to random those off, we can do that too. Kyle Tucker for the Astros. Right, 2 packs left. Should be at least one auto in here. Good luck, everyone. All right, Jimenez. Mike Trout. Going out to the New York Yankees. And Hoff. KCH. Got yourself a nice Aaron Judge rookie. Would have been nice if it was the next card, but whoa, okay. For the Texas Rangers, and why not? Another one for Frankie G. Frankie G, coming out to you, buddy. Cole Ragans, rookie auto. Again, not serial numbered. And a Moncada. Yeah, that would have been nice if the Judge was the following card, the autograph. Yeah. All right, last pack in this Bowman's Best break. Josh Bell, rookie for the Pirates. Corey Kluber, Clint Frazier, and Atlanta, Freddie Freeman, number 2/250. And Bradley Zimmer, rookie for the Indians. What do you guys think about the rookie? You want to just do these with continue what we've been doing on these mirror images? We'll give the card instead of the veteran. We'll give it to whoever has the rookie team, the rookies team. Right? I mean, is that fair? If not, like I said, guys, I have no problem. We can random these off. Just let me know what you want to do. All right, so we give it to Tampa and to Atlanta. Okay. Yep, like I said, just want to make sure. I'm going to make sure everything's fair for you guys. The first, 3 boxes we did, all these that came out, instead of giving it to the vet, we gave it to the rookie team, and everybody was cool with that. So, all right, cool. All right, thanks, guys. We're going to do that then, and thanks again for getting in on the break. We got more Bowman's Best coming up next. This is Bambino Breaks. We are out.